At the top of a sprawling hill covered in lush, emerald grass stands the domain of a majestic lion. With his golden mane flowing like a crown in the breeze, he surveys the vast landscape below, his piercing eyes reflecting both wisdom and authority. The life of Musafa is a joyful tapestry, woven with the magic of nature and the simple pleasures of childhood. Each day begins with the golden embrace of sunlight, where Musafa dances and laughs, his spirit as free as the butterflies that flit around him. One day, young Musafa found himself caught in the midst of a sudden rainstorm, with the skies darkening and thunder rumbling like a mighty drumbeat. At first, the cub was mesmerized by the transformation of the world around him, the cool droplets splashing on his fur, the earth turning soft and muddy beneath his paws. But as the rain grew heavier and the thunder roared louder, Musafa felt a mix of wonder and fear. As the rain drizzled down, Creating ripples on the surface of the stream, Musafa found pure delight in the thrill of fish catching. The rain brought the water to life, with tiny droplets dancing and the stream swelling with activity. Sometimes he succeeded, holding a slippery, wriggling fish triumphantly, and other times, the fish darted away, adding to the excitement of the chase. The rain only heightened his joy, turning the simple stream into a vibrant playground where Musafa could revel in nature's wonders.
Thank you.